Nataptan ko first. Yeah. Oh.
See you in the morning light. Lead me on along tears to come.
Bugno na ba ni sir?
See you home.
Nangyari kakanta pa.
Oo.
I want you to
Hello. Hello.
Anggol guys.
Bro, nakamalas pa ko.
Kakanta pa.
Daloy. Daloy.
to change.
Part
I
ko na
wish I could be
Magsigoy-sigoy sinong part.
young little dear once long till time. You know, I wish I could
Bro,
be
sigoy na pipukang.
young little
Ikaw na naman
dear
na.
Lala.
long till time.
Nagigiganta mo ba? Ayaw.
Wala, Dres, lalong part.
Okay na tayo.
Dre part. Laga na na. Hindi nang palagni mo. Oras Lord na. Dre part.
Don't let me
Laga na na. Ato na Lord na.
just let me out and make a sound. Let me hold you up before you hit the ground. You know,
Kulang tagtapos.
I'm still good. You say you're alright, but the girls in this way that you run away. When you run up your wall,
Patay na mo.
Bukang. Patay ko.
I wish I could
Ano?
I'm a little too
Ninya.
Ay, yate!
I wish I
Ito man ang sacrificial blend.
I'm a little too wanted.
Araw ko yung
I
pangalan
think you wanted all the time. Don't give me up.
Tawag na.
Don't give me up tonight.
Hindi mo rin tag-content. Ano eh.
Ay, nag-grill. Napoy dinner. Napoy gunner.
Ka-vlog-vlog nakaroon din.
Wala, upload na good.
Vlogger na ta. Pero let's. Push ko part ha.
Nagigupit din. Nagigupit si Alo.
I wish I could be a little too haunted.
Kitas na ilang
I'm a little too haunted all the time. This time, I'm a little too haunted. And all that
Sacrificial na naman mo.
Sacrificial blend.
Sacrificial play. Tama na.
Thank you. Silong.
Matala pa man na. Wala na. Sumpong na yung buka. Wala na. Tawag lang.
Tanawa kang Alo. Tanawa kang Alo.
Tawag lang. Wala na. Imbit na siya.
Block na!
14.15. Block.